Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to the land of kings and queens, poets and playwrights, and a history that stretches back thousands of years. England beckons with a symphony of history, culture, and natural wonders. From the iconic Big Ben standing tall in the heart of London to the mystical Stonehenge that has puzzled historians for centuries, and the majestic Tower Bridge spanning the Thames River, every corner of this country tells a story. From bustling cities to serene countryside, England offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses. Imagine walking through the vibrant streets of London, where modern skyscrapers stand alongside historic landmarks. Or picture yourself in the Cotswolds, with its rolling hills and charming villages that seem to be straight out of a fairy tale. And let's not forget Oxford, a city that breathes academia and history with every step you take. Get ready to be enchanted by England's unique charm. Wander through quaint villages with cobblestone streets, where every building has a story to tell. Explore historic castles with sprawling gardens that have witnessed centuries of history. And of course, no visit to England would be complete without a stop at a traditional English pub, where you can enjoy a pint of ale and some hearty food. Prepare to be amazed by its diverse landscapes and its rich history. The Lake District National Park offers breathtaking scenery with its serene lakes and rugged mountains. Hadrian's Wall, a remnant of the Roman Empire, stretches across the northern landscape, inviting you to walk in the footsteps of ancient soldiers. And down south, Brighton's beach with its iconic pier provides a perfect spot for relaxation and fun. Come, let's embark on an unforgettable journey to discover England's most wonderful places. Whether you're a solo traveler with a backpack, a group of friends looking for adventure, or a family wanting to create lasting memories, England has something for everyone. Enjoy a picnic in one of the many beautiful parks, explore historic sites, or simply take in the stunning views. Are you ready for an adventure? Pack your bags, gather your friends, and set out on the open road. The excitement of discovering new places and experiencing new things awaits you. Every journey in England is a new adventure, filled with unexpected delights and unforgettable moments. England awaits, ready to share its stories and secrets. The British flag waves proudly, symbolizing a nation rich in heritage and tradition. Engage with storytellers who bring history to life, and let knowledgeable guides take you through museums where the past is preserved and celebrated. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, England promises a journey full of wonder and delight. Witness the grandeur of the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, stroll through the medieval streets of York, or visit charming coastal towns like Whitby, where the sea meets history. Let's begin our exploration and uncover the magic that England has to offer. Our journey begins in London, England's vibrant capital. Feel the pulse of the city as you stroll along the Thames. Marvel at the grandeur of Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. Imagine the stories whispered within the Tower of London's ancient walls. Experience the city's vibrant energy. Explore world-class museums. Indulge in delicious food and immerse yourself in London's unique charm. London is a city that never sleeps, always buzzing with life and excitement. Next, we journey back in time to Stonehenge, a mysterious prehistoric monument. Feel the weight of history as you stand before these ancient stones. Ponder the mysteries surrounding their construction and purpose. Stonehenge is a testament to England's rich and ancient past. Let your imagination run wild as you stand amidst these silent giants. Feel the connection to generations past. Experience the awe-inspiring presence of Stonehenge, a true wonder of the world. Escape to the tranquility of the Lake District, a region of breathtaking natural beauty. Here, shimmering lakes reflect towering mountains, creating picture-perfect scenery. Breathe in the fresh air. Go for a hike or enjoy a peaceful boat ride on a serene lake. The Lake District is a haven for nature lovers. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature, and create unforgettable memories. Picture perfect Cotswolds. Prepare to be charmed by the Cotswolds, an area of rolling hills and honey-colored villages. Stroll through quaint villages with charming cottages adorned with flowers. Enjoy the peaceful ambiance of this picturesque region. The Cotswolds offer a glimpse into a slower pace of life. Indulge in afternoon tea, discover local crafts, and embrace the relaxed atmosphere of this idyllic region. Stepping into a fairy tale Bibury. Enter the fairy tale village of Bibury, a place where time seems to stand still and every corner tells a story. Often called the most beautiful village in England, Bibury is a picturesque gem nestled in the heart of the Cotswolds. Wander along the tranquil river Combe, where the gentle flow of water creates a soothing soundtrack to your visit. Spanned by ancient stone bridges, the river is lined with charming cottages that seem to have leapt from the pages of a storybook. Each cottage, with its unique character and history, adds to the enchanting atmosphere of the village. Bibury is a place to slow down and savor the simple joys of life. Here, the pace is unhurried and the lifestyle is relaxed. Capture the beauty of the village with your camera. Every angle offers a new perspective, a new story waiting to be told. Breathe in the fresh air and enjoy a relaxing stroll along the river. The peaceful ambiance is perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. Take a closer look at the historic buildings, each with its own tale of the past. The architecture here is a testament to the village's rich heritage. Visit the local shops and cafes, where you can enjoy traditional delicacies and perhaps take home a piece of Bibury's charm. Don't forget to look out for the local wildlife. Ducks and other birds are often seen enjoying the river, adding to the village's idyllic charm. As the day comes to an end, watch the sunset cast a golden glow over Bibury, making it even more magical. This is a place where memories are made and cherished. Time travel to Castle Combe. Step back in time in Castle Combe, another village that embodies quintessential English charm. Wander through the village's historic streets, lined with charming houses and shops. Imagine life in a bygone era. Castle Combe is a popular filming location for a reason. Its unspoiled beauty and historic charm transport you to another time. Experience the magic of this captivating village. The majestic white cliffs of Dover. These iconic cliffs, with their striking white chalk face, have stood as a natural monument for millennia. Experience the awe-inspiring sight of the White Cliffs of Dover, a natural wonder that has captivated the hearts and minds of visitors for generations. A symbol of England's resilience, these cliffs have witnessed countless historical events and have been a silent guardian of the nation. These majestic cliffs rise from the sea, standing tall and proud, a testament to the enduring spirit of the English coastline. Offering breathtaking views of the English Channel, the cliffs provide a vantage point like no other, where the sea meets the sky in a seamless horizon. Feel the wind in your hair as you stand atop these ancient formations, a reminder of nature's raw power and beauty. Breathe in the salty air, rich with the scent of the sea, and let it invigorate your senses. The White Cliffs of Dover hold a special place in English history. They have been a symbol of hope and endurance, especially during times of conflict. They have served as a symbol of hope and defense for centuries. During World War II, they stood as a beacon of hope for returning soldiers and a formidable barrier against invaders. Stand atop the cliffs and feel a sense of awe and wonder. Imagine the countless stories these cliffs could tell, from ancient times to modern day. As the sun sets over the White Cliffs of Dover, the chalky facade glows with a warm, golden hue, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. The cliffs are also home to a diverse array of wildlife, from seabirds nesting in the crevices to wildflowers that bloom in the chalky soil. Whether you're hiking along the cliff tops or simply taking in the view, the White Cliffs of Dover offer an experience that is both humbling and inspiring. Participate in historical reenactments or visit nearby museums to delve deeper into the rich history that surrounds these cliffs. Don't miss the chance to visit the South Foreland Lighthouse, a historic beacon that has guided sailors safely to shore for centuries. Enjoy a picnic with your family, surrounded by the natural beauty and historical significance of this iconic landmark. As night falls, the cliffs take on a different kind of beauty, silhouetted against the starry sky, offering a tranquil end to a day of exploration. The majestic White Cliffs of Dover, a place where history, nature, and beauty converge, leaving an indelible mark on all who visit. Beyond these iconic landmarks, England is brimming with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Explore ancient castles and stately homes, wander through vibrant cities and charming market towns, discover the hidden treasures that lie around every corner. England's beauty lies not only in its famous landmarks, but also in its hidden corners. Embrace the unexpected. Seek out local experiences and create your own unique adventure. Your English adventure awaits. England's tapestry of history, culture, and natural wonders awaits you. Let its charm captivate your senses. Create memories that will last a lifetime as you explore this fascinating country. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable English adventure. Your journey through England's most wonderful places starts now. Embrace the adventure and let England surprise you with its beauty and charm. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey through England's most wonderful places. I hope I've inspired you to experience the magic of England for yourself. For more travel tips, detailed itineraries, and insider advice, happy travels! And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures.